Booth.Events is an easy-to-use photo booth platform designed to take your business to the next level. Get started today and run your first event for free with just an email address. With Booth.Events template feature, you can brand and customize your guest photos and videos. Booth.Events comes preloaded with templates that are customizable using our template editor. You can also create your own templates to showcase your event's brand with overlays and backgrounds. In this video, we're going to show you how to create your own template. We recommend working with templates on a computer or tablet as a phone screen is too small. So let's head to Booth.Events. Log in and navigate to templates here on the left. Here, you can see all the templates available to you. A template is what tells the iPad how to make the photo or video look and how many photos to take. If you'd like to edit, duplicate, or delete a template, click the three dots. Hit the question mark at the bottom right anytime to learn more. Now we're going to create a new template, so let's click Create New up here. First, give your template a name. If you've purchased a template, here's where you can upload it as a zip file. We'll make ours from scratch. We'll do the most important thing first. Set the size in pixels of the template. This controls the size of the photos the iPad makes and needs to match what your printer expects if you're printing. You're going to be creating a 2x6-inch template, and our printer needs the size to be 620 by 1844 pixels. Now we're in the template editor. At the top, you'll see layers and scenes. Layers are where you add photo areas and images. Scenes are virtual backgrounds that your guests can select from if your iPad is equipped with Face ID to make a green screen effect. Let's focus on layers. On the left side of the screen, you'll see all the layers that make up this template. Right now, it's empty except for the background color picker. So let's click Upload Images and add our background first. And there it is, our first layer. Next, we'll create a photo area. This tells the app where to place your guest photos. The number of photo areas corresponds to the number of photos the app will take and the order in which they'll be taken and displayed. Let's add the photo areas now by clicking this button. For this template, we want 3 photo areas with 3 distinct photos. If we wanted to use the same photo twice in a template, we could use the same order number twice. Since our next layer is going to be an overlay with frames on top of these photo areas, let's get these photo areas into the right position first. Layers can be moved by clicking and dragging, and resized or rotated using the corners. For more precise control, you can select the layer and adjust the values directly, like this. All actions can be undone or redone using these arrows. You can delete and duplicate layers by using these buttons here. Pro tip: add multiple photo areas by duplicating an existing one. This will preserve the size of the photo area, which is usually what you want. Now that our photo areas are in position, let's add our overlay. Click Upload Image and select. Now see how the different layers are stacked on top of each other? The layers at the bottom of the list are towards the back of the image. At the very bottom is the background color, and at the very top is the overlay we just added. When you click and drag a layer, you'll always move the top layer. If you need to move a layer that's not on top, either adjust the XY coordinates directly in the layer panel on the left, or use these arrows on the layer to temporarily move it up to the top to work with it, then move it back down when it's in the right spot. Now, let's personalize this with some text. To do this, we need to upload the text as a PNG with no background color. We're going to use a great website called maketext.io, but you can use any service like Canva or Photoshop. Simply type your text here and click Make Text Cooler. Up at the top, you can change your font. Once you found one you like, scroll down through the effects and pick one that pops. At the bottom, choose PNG and then click Download. Next, we'll upload it to the Booth.Events template editor and place it where we want. And there you go, we've made our first template. Don't forget, templates need to be assigned to an event in order to be used. If you assign multiple templates to an event, then your guests will be able to choose which template they want right in the iPad app. We'll assign this template to our event now by going to the Events page, choosing an event, clicking the Change button in the Templates box, and selecting our new template. Now we're ready to go. At Booth.Events, we're looking forward to impressing your clients and being an important part of the growth of your business. Check out our other videos to learn more and get started for free today.